Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got an active Questrade account and need Edge next. Sign in and grant the browser or app permissions so data streams. Once done, confirm trading permissions and link a bank. Transfers clear faster with instant deposit or ACH. Make sure your profile shows margin or options if you plan to trade them. Now fund the account with a test amount to confirm settlement behavior, because the platform will block trades if you lack buying power or required permissions. You'll build a workspace, drag charts, level Roman 2 orders, and the options chain into view, then save it. When you place an order, select ticker, buy or sell, size, and order type, limit for price control, market for speed, stop for protection, then verify estimated cost and fees. Once done, submit and watch the order tile. Use hotkeys or quick trade to shave seconds. Also set alerts for price or volume so you don't miss execution opportunities and can manage risk actively. You'll monitor open positions and P&L daily, adjusting with trailing stops or one cancels the other to lock gains while limiting downside. When closing, use edit or reverse functions and confirm fills in the trade history. Reconcile fills with expected fees. If something goes wrong, first check buying power, pending transfers, or market halts, then ensure Edge is updated and your internet and VPN settings aren't blocking connections. If persistent, capture logs and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.